the outside.
Mm.
Good there. Got one on top first before that.
Okay. Oh!
Unlock your full potential at CrackAddictz.
So we're gonna show a full spine adjustment today, but then with the feet as well. There's specializations within chiropractic.
But feet, I had my first adjustment by you last week, and it changed my life. And I didn't even know that I needed my life changed. But it did. And I played college volleyball and all the things. So please help me again.
So there's specializations, point is, within chiropractic, but let's start with that, with the upper neck, so we can keep you seated just like you are. And her last adjustment was actually by me.
Did it stick?
Yeah, that's what we're checking. Yeah, good job, it did. What I'm feeling for is, and this is when we get a sense of stability. When was that? Was
Tuesday morning.
So just over a week.
The 10th? No.
So just over a week. Just over a week, the upper neck is still holding, which is good. So no adjustment actually needed. And her neck feels really good. There's no tension in it. That's good. And last time that I saw you, it was more of the low back.
Yes.
And that's where it actually is today too. Come for me, please.
Okay.
And then...
At least I'm consistent.
At least she's consistent. There we go. Without bending your knees, please go ahead and lift the right leg as high as you can, and then drop it down. Now the left.
Oh my gosh, it's so much better.
Relative to the other.
No,
Okay, so one more time for me. Go ahead, please, and I'm gonna mark where your feet stop. So go ahead, and then lower. Now the other.
Oh, okay.
So the right one is more restricted. Yeah. Gonna be is that right side there. So let's have you actually go ahead and lie with your right side up. Full leg, the bottom one straight. There you go. And so low back and the foot are best friends. Many times when there's a problem in the hips or the low back, it'll end up showing up on the feet because this is the driver for the foot. Similar focus there. Just a little bit. Gotcha. Good. And then face down, please. And I'm trying to be as light as possible to still make the adjustment because I know Ellen has a preference. And then now let's try the same thing, that leg lift. So let's try that right one. Hey! She's lifting it higher. Now the left one for reference so we can see. There we go. So now they're both, although they probably don't like us, Ellen, because we didn't get a huge noise out of it. Oh well.
No noise, it didn't happen.
Right there. Breath in for me, please, and then let it all go. A light one there. Good. Don't have to make an adjustment. All right. And then let's see. You were, okay, this was good. Last time you were laughing and yelling, so feel free as much as you want. Don't hold back too, okay?
It was so uncomfortable.
Swear words if they want to come out.
Oh man, you'll leave them, right?
No, we're gonna leave them. So what I'm feeling for the heel on this foot, Ellen, your right, my left, is really stuck. Yeah. Good motion side to side. Yeah. Here doesn't move that way, so I'm gonna move it that way. Okay. There. And then we got through the arch. That's typically pretty uncomfortable. Save that one for last. We got one on top first before that.
Okay. Oh!
Turning red, that's
Am
good.
I? I think mostly because this is like maybe the most unflattering angle ever.
On the outside here. Okay, and then your favorite, not really though. And I'm actually gonna be easy on her because she's gonna be pissed if I'm not. So.
I mean, do it if you need to. Yeah.
Okay. There. Is that as tense when I push into that spot?
No.
We can do an adjustment without any noise happening, and there's a good example. And then here, heel, good. And then here, heel, good. And then right through the top. And the middle of the foot here, and Alan, we talked about this last time, should be almost like a towel, like you can wring it. It should move each way, either way. So we have to come down here. This is the metatarsals for people watching at home. For all the nerds out there, this is the second metatarsal. There we go. There we go.
Noises.
And then, so now when we do that same motion, this rolls down like we want, but then my other hand, it's not coming up. And there's one on the arch. And turn the leg out. Little push there. And that's the one that's not the most fun that I was talking about earlier, but that motion now, when we come back to it, it's moving. And then the heel on this side. Here we go. Surprised her. Then on these two, we're going to do the same thing. So there should be a certain amount of spring or give here. There's not. That's better. I don't know if you notice a difference side to side. So this might make a little noise, just warning you. Good there. And then on the outside. Good there. On the outside. Good there. So there we go.
Yay!
This is the driver of the foot, you know, that big toe, an extension of that big toe. So I'm going to be underneath the big toe. Better motion. So this, I was feeling, was restricted. Now we can get it farther. We actually see a lot of the same NFL people.
Yeah.
So a lot of what I'll work on is this, more neurologic structural, and then when it is more of a soft tissue injury, especially around an area that needs more depth to it, that's where this comes in. So a really good pairing for people if you've been already getting chiropractic but you're finding there's a lingering issue and something that's not resolving, a good high quality laser, because they're not all made the same.
Yeah.
And if you're in Austin, you gotta check her out. So one more here. Okay, good. And then let's have you walk. Let's have you take a few steps. And let's see if you notice what's different as you move on your feet.
I just feel like I can push off from under my big toes so much better, and I didn't even feel like I had access to that part before.
Yeah, and you run, right?
I do, yes.
So important. And then had played also. Yeah. Sports, so a lot of times past history of sports is where this even comes into play, and then the effects show up. So we're working on them now so that she has better foot motion.
I could have been a ballerina with these suckers.
Look at that.
Look at that.